Hello, lovely viewers. Thank you once again for always watching our videos. I just can't thank you much because you have done amazingly for us, for subscribing to the channel, always watching, liking and commenting on our videos. We just want to say thank you so much, for we are almost closer to getting the 1K subscribers mark. And I'm just hoping that we are all going to share and make sure that people also join the amazing Sunset family. This is SunsetDroneGh. Today we are coming to you live from Bibiani, in the Bibiani Anhwiaso Bekwai Municipality in the Western North region of Ghana. That's one of the newest created regions that was cut out of the Western region, or carved out of the Western region of Ghana. That's the Western North region. That's the capital of the Western North region. Bibiani is one of the 9 districts in the Western region, or the Western North region, originally created as an ordinary district assembly in 1988, when it was known as Bibiani Anhwiaso Bekwai District. It was later elevated to Municipal District Assembly status on March 2012 to become Bibiani Anhwiaso Bekwai Municipal District. The municipality is located in the northeast part of Western North region, and the capital is Bibiani, which also doubles as the capital of the Western North region. Please, you are watching us live from Bibiani. That's the gold town, one of the oldest town in Ghana, which is well noted for the mining of gold, and it has beautiful township. Though most of our gold, or where our mining towns are, does not have beautiful roads and nice environment, but when you come to Bibiani, you will enjoy it. The place is very beautiful, nice. Their roads are well tiled, and everywhere is looking beautiful and nice. As you watch this video, you will see an area that we have a very well laid out buildings, very beautiful. This is where we have the Bibiani Gold Stars team that's playing in the Premiership currently. We are going to share with you their stadium in a separate video, which you can watch after this one. And that one too is going to show you the beautiful stadium which you are seeing right now in the shots right now. That's the Den, as they call it. It's a very beautiful settlement, as you can see from the shots right now. The buildings are well laid out with beautiful lines, as you can see from the shots. Bibiani is a very beautiful town. If you have not visited this place, please do well to visit this town, Bibiani, in the Western North region of Ghana. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, I will encourage you to click on the red subscribe button to become part of this family. And please do not forget to comment, like and share our videos for others to watch it too. This town, from Kumasi to this town, you will spend like almost 2 to 3 hours, and from Wiawso to Bibiani, you spend close to 1 hour. And also you can take this route to the Western region, that's Accra. You pass through some Western region towns and you get to Accra. This is one of the beautiful towns that I've yet captured when I started this amazing journey. We are hoping that very soon our family will grow so massively. And please, if you have not joined this amazing family, do well to join it. And watch this place for amazing shots and beautiful drone shots from our towns. As you can see, beautiful laid out town from this drone shot. Bibiani is a very beautiful town. Please, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and always do well to come back and always watch our videos. Thank you so much. The SunsetDroneGh.